Shout out to Red Apple Fireworks. Click bang. This is the after sale, New Year's after sale. Got this for like 60 bucks a case. Then I got a couple of these. They got sale too. Can't mention it all, but this case was 60 bucks. The Click Bang 16 shots. Got some Pixel, Roman Candle, Deadhead, Roman Candles, the Pixel artillery shell, and mini dozen by Magnus. Oh, oops, did I say it wrong? My bad. And got the America AF. That was on sale too. 20 bucks. Got some adult snappers. Gotta get some crackers. And a little, kitty stuff. This was 5 bucks. And then, I try to look for some ground blooms. I don't see it on YouTube. Ground blooms are cool, man. For the kids and the kid in us. Got some drone bombs from Red Apple Fireworks. Would report. It says it on there. Nice. I'm gonna go light it off. Stay tuned for these. Go light it up. That's the stash for 2023. Little stash. That's what I got from Red Apple Fireworks. Alright, Pyros, one love. Stay safe out there.